Welcome, bird lovers! Today we're going to dive into some interesting facts about these feathered creatures and explore their unique behaviors. Did you know that birds come in all shapes and sizes? From the tiny hummingbird to the majestic eagle. There are over 10,000 different species of birds in the world. Each one has its own special characteristics and adaptations that help them survive in their environments. One of the most amazing things about birds is their ability to fly. Unlike us humans, birds have hollow bones and feathers that allow them to soar through the sky. Some birds can even fly for thousands of miles during migration, traveling to warmer climates in search of food. Speaking of food, birds have some interesting eating habits. While some birds are carnivorous and feed on insects or small animals, others are herbivores and enjoy a diet of seeds, fruits, and nectar. And did you know that some birds, like the clever crows, are known to use tools to help them find food? They're truly the Einsteins of the bird world. Birds are also known for their beautiful songs and calls. Each species has its own unique vocalizations, which they use to communicate with each other. Some birds, like the mockingbird, are excellent mimics and can imitate the sounds of other birds or even car alarms. But it's not just their songs that are impressive. Birds are also incredible architects. Take the weaver bird, for example. These little engineers build intricate nests using grass, twigs, and leaves. Some nests can be so complex that they have multiple chambers and even a separate entrance and exit. Now, let's talk about one of the most fascinating behaviors of birds: courtship displays. Male birds often go to great lengths to attract a mate. They may perform elaborate dances, puff up their feathers, or even create intricate displays using colorful objects. It's like a bird version of a talent show. As we wrap up our journey into the world of birds, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share our content for more exciting learning adventures. Join us as we explore the wonders of nature and uncover more fascinating facts. Until then, happy bird watching!